Come, let us ascend, my companion and friend, to a taste of the banquet above. If thy heart be as mine, if for Jesus it pine, come up into the chariot of love. Who in Jesus confide, they are bowed to outride the storms of affliction beneath. With the prophet we soar to that heavenly shore, and outfly all the arrows of death. By faith we are come to our permanent home. By hope we the rapture improve. By love we still rise and look down on the skies, for the heaven of heaven is love. Who on earth can conceive how happy we live in the city of God, the great King? What a concert of praise when our Jesus' grace the whole heavenly company sing. What a rapturous song when the glorified throng in the spirit of harmony join. Join all the glad choirs, hearts, voices, and lyres, and the burden is mercy divine. Hallelujah, they cry to the King of the sky, to the great everlasting I am, to the Lamb who was slain and liveth again. Hallelujah to God and the Lamb. The Lamb on the throne, lo, he dwells with his own, and to rivers of pleasure he leads. With his mercies full blaze, with the sight of his face, our beatified spirits he feeds. Our foreheads proclaim his ineffable name, our bodies his glory display. A day without night we feast in his sight, and eternity seems as a day. Hallelujah, they cry to the King of the sky, to the great everlasting I am, to the Lamb who was slain and liveth again. Hallelujah to God and the Lamb.